Learn the difference between unrolling firm and flexible concrete mats. Australian Concrete Mats manufactures two roll-out concrete erosion control mats, a flexible version and a firm version. In this video, you'll see an installer handle both types to highlight how they behave during installation. The flexible mat is softer and more pliable, which means it needs a bit more adjustment to remove creases and ensure it sits flat before anchoring. The firm mat is stiffer, making it easier to handle and generally quicker to install. Need more info? Call us on 1300 085 889. Visit the website concretemats.com.au.